feet kicked up. Hold on, watch this camera off. Hold on, stop the zero. I got my feet kicked up. We making real good progress. We got the tree chopped up. We transporting the big loads right now. Each one of these limbs weigh 100 pounds, I promise. We just trying to move the biggest of the biggest. And we got it stuck on the hill. We're going to have to wait till it starts to deteriorate. We can't move it. Unless we get a skid steer out here with the grapplers on it, we probably can get it. But the tree was way over there. I can scroll in real quick. It was way over there where it broke off. So, we ride across. Hopefully I can maneuver this down this hill on one hand action. My feet in the air. This other one trying to slip. Don't go nowhere. That log weighs 1,000 pounds. Y'all stay with me. I'm going to re-cue it up in my trailer.